Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to look at how to make a totaling column. And this is very useful when we're making graphs such as this one here, where we have employees at a business as well as the days of the week, so that we are able to look at the amount of hours they all work in that week for each day. But not only that, we want to make a totaling column, which is this one here, that has the total hours they have all worked for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Not only that, but also the total hours that all the employees worked in a week. And in this column here, we will have the total hours of all the employees in all the days of the week. So just the total hours in a week. So how do we make these total columns? Well, the total columns will be down here, along here, and all together here, as I said before. So let's start with this total column here. What you're going to want to do is on your keyboard, you're going to want to type equals, so the equal sign, and then type sum. Then you're going to put a open bracket, highlight all the numbers you want to sum. So we want to sum all of the hours worked on Monday, and then you're going to close off that bracket with another open bracket like this. Hit enter, and that will sum all of your hours for Monday, which for us is 60. And we're going to repeat that for Tuesday. So equal sign, sum, bracket, highlight all the ones you want to sum, so all of Tuesday. And you don't actually have to put another bracket. You can just hit enter and it will sum it up for you. Excel will know what you are trying to do. And then you would have to repeat this for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But a shortcut you can do is once you have two, Excel is very good at recognizing patterns. So you can highlight those two, take your cursor, so your little plus sign, which is a white plus. If you highlight it over this little green square here, the plus will turn smaller and it will become black. And then stretch that across the other three, which you want to also do the same thing with, and then let go. And Excel will continue that pattern all the way along. So these have all been summed as well. And we can see that if we click on it. So if we click on this, go up to what has happened, we can see it has summed from D2, which is this here, because we have D2, all the way down to D10, D10, which is what we want. And this one, same thing, it has been summed from F2 to F10. And then we have these. So sum does not only work for columns. If you want, you can also sum rows, following that same steps. So putting an equal sign in, write sum, and as you can see, before I even put a bracket in, Excel is so good at recognizing patterns, it has already lit up this row and put in what it thinks I'm gonna say, which is B3 to F3, which is what I want. So we can just hit enter and it will put in exactly what it has here, just like that. And remember, once you have two, just highlight those two, take your little plus cursor, highlight, put it over the little square so it turns black, and then pull it down to all the other ones you want to do. And now we have the total for all of our rows as well as all of our columns. So if we want to find the total of all the hours worked, that will go here. We can simply do another sum, and we can sum all of these and hit enter, and that is 262. And that would have been exactly the same as if we summed these, 262. And one final thing I'll show you is if you don't want to use the sum function, you can instead just click on where you're trying to total it and go over to this symbol here, which is your auto sum. And if you click that, Excel will recognize, okay, you're trying to sum this. And if you think that's correct and that is what you're trying to sum, all you have to do is hit enter, and there we go again, 262. So that is how you create a totaling column, as well as how to sum a column or a row. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.